So welcome to the cab of my combine. We're sitting on a new John Deere, and just look around the cab. This is what the control panel looks like. All the switches that turn everything on and off. This handle moves us forwards and up and down. And over here we have this computer screen. It's a yield monitor. It tells you how much yield, what the crop is yielding every few seconds. It measures that on the go, and then it also measures the moisture content of the grain every 20 seconds. On the pole over here, it's got some what are called loss monitors. It tells you how much grain is going out the back end and how much you're losing, so it tells you if you've adjusted things properly. The blue thing on the front is called a stripper header, and what it does is it instead of cutting the grain, the whole plant off and bringing it into the harvester to separate the grain from the straw, the stripper header actually just strips it from the plant, and so the plant is actually left standing in the field. See, here we have unharvested rice, and that has been harvested already. So the stripper header actually makes it a little bit like just driving a big old vacuum cleaner. So, looking behind us here, up there is where the rice comes in as we're harvesting, and I'll get a shot of that in just a second. So we'll put everything in gear, speed it up, and then put it down and head into the crop. Hard to hold the camera and steer the combine at the same time, but it's working out. So the top number is yield per acre in hundredweights, that means 100 pounds, and the bottom number is the moisture content of the grain. And then back there, the grain coming into the tank.